we're going to go over how to make a catapult. So this Catapult project can actually be found on the SnappyXO website, and it's one of the invention projects. So to start, we're going to start with two 8x beams. So I'm going to drag two 8x beams and put them over here. Now you can either drag two 8x beams or drag one and then just duplicate it. Next, we're going to use two large H-clips. So I'm going to put one here and one here. And I'm going to attach one H-clip on this hole and the other H-clip on this hole. Basically, the two ends of one 8x beam. Next, I'm going to attach this structure to the other 8x beam like this, just like that. Now I'm going to move this over here just so you guys can see it better. Okay, so now we need a 5x beam. So I'm going to put a 5x beam over here, and we need a launcher. And so I'm going to grab a launcher, put it over here. Next, we need an L clip. I'm going to put one over here. And I'm going to attach the L clip to the leftmost X hole of the 5x beam. Then I'm going to attach the launcher to the L clip. Next, we need a small fixed pivot. And I'm going to attach the smaller end of the fixed pivot to the rightmost circular hole of the 5x beam. Okay. So now I'm going to attach this small fixed pivot to this X hole over here on the 8x beam. So it's the third X hole from the right, just like that. Now, right now in this orientation, this is not physically possible because right now how it's showing it is that this 5x beam here is actually penetrating or going through the H clip, right? Which can't happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the fixed pivot, and we're just going to rotate the 5x beam structure until it's out of the way. So now this should be good. So now I'm just going to put this over here so you guys can see it better, and I'm just going to rotate everything up so everything looks a bit nicer. But yeah, there you have it. This is the catapult, and I hope you guys have fun with this project. There are a lot more other projects on the SnappyXO website, so you guys can challenge yourselves and see if you guys can build those projects. But yeah, have fun with it.